If you look up and look behind you, you see labor right. And if you look to your right, you see more labor right. And if you look to your left, you see more and more labor right. But Prime Minister, if you look before you, you see labor right and 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 labor right. River come down bank to bank.
It's election season and battle lines are drawn between the JLP and the PNP. And the question we want to ask today is this: is Jamaica really JLP country?
JLP for Jamaica.
The JLP was created by Sir Alexander Bustamante in 1943, and the JLP has given Jamaica 6 out of the 9 prime ministers. The first prime minister was Sir Alexander Bustamante in 1962. He was succeeded by Sir Donald Sangster in 1967. Sir Donald Sangster died in office, and he was succeeded by Hugh Shearer, also in 1967. Edward Seaga was elected in 1980 and led the country for 9 years. Bruce Golding came to power in 2007, and Andrew Holness succeeded him in 2011 and came back to win the elections in 2016. This means that the JLP not only gave Jamaica its first prime minister, but also its youngest prime minister. And the JLP has had some interesting results in the elections as well. The JLP has bragging rights for being the only party in Jamaica to have held all 60 parliamentary seats. In 1983, the JLP won all 60 seats as a result of a boycott led by the Michael Manley-led PNP. In 1981, it was another landslide victory for the JLP, winning 51 of the 60 seats. And in recent times, in 2020, the JLP won 49 of the 63 seats. Supporters of the JLP will tell you that it was the JLP that led Jamaica into independence with its first Prime Minister, Sir Alexander Bustamante. And they'll also tell you that it was the JLP that led Jamaica's transformation from the pound sterling to the Jamaican dollar. Despite being in the wilderness for 18.5 years, the JLP have turned around their fortune and have been leading Jamaica for 12 of the last 16 years. So the question we want to ask Jamaica is this: is the JLP the real Jamaican party? Let me know in the comment section. Remember, you can like this video, subscribe to our channel, and you can become a member of the channel. Remember, JamFet, we celebrate the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad.
We are not in a fight with them. They are not in our league. We're not running any race with them. We have too many things to show. We have the achievements. For the first time ever, a government can campaign on what it has achieved. A government can campaign on showing the people what will come, not empty promises, but you can look on the track record of achievement and make a judgment. If you were to ask yourself who is capable of delivering the future that you want, then it must be the Jamaica Labour Party. The Jamaica Labour Party always fixes things. The Jamaica Labour Party always builds things. The Jamaica Labour Party deals with now, and it deals with the medium term, and it deals with the long term. The Jamaica Labour Party knows how to steer the economy and at the same time ensure that the people who are on the ship don't die from seasickness, because we know how to properly maneuver the heavy waves and the white squall and challenges that come when you are running a country.